And I'm still sick, dude. I can't shake this. I don't know why.
Baby, it's cold.
You know what? Look, I
It's
have a
snowing
gripe.
outside.
I have a gripe with that song.
Really now? This is so
Yeah.
random.
No, let me. All right. I've listened to that song. I used to work at Starbucks, and that song would always play.
Christmas
Right?
time?
Christmas time, right? And then, like as a kid, you think, oh, it's a Christmas song. Like it doesn't matter. It's cute. It has a very nice melody, right?
Mhm.
There's like a back and forth between a man and a woman. And the more you listen to it, it sounds very predatory. It gives me like
It's like cuffing season.
I know I'm about to give you some surprise sex. like, like, like he's like
What is
like the girl goes,
surprise
I
What does that
really
mean?
gotta go, and then the dude go, baby, it's cold outside. Like, you're not letting me go. You're holding me against my will. It sounds like you're
Surprise
getting
sex.
ready to give me some surprise sex. Hello, my name is Dr. Grape, but the G is silent. It's very predatory. So
What
now
does
every
that
time that
mean?
song
I
comes on,
get
bro,
it.
I turn that off. I can't listen to that song
I
anymore.
cannot.
It's
Well,
so
I was
bad,
listening to
dude.
it all day, so it's
Oh
whatever.
damn! Listen to the lyrics again. Now you're gonna listen to
I
the lyrics.
know. Now I can't, yeah, I can't take that picture out of my head. It's a sexual song. It's not a Christmas song.
No, it's a very, very surprise
Man,
sex song.
you just ruined that song. I hate Christmas songs anyways, thank God. So next time that comes on, I'm gonna tell my wife, be like,
Listen
you
to
don't
it.
expect something tonight.
Baby,
Baby, it's cold.
I'm surprised the shit didn't like let's say for example there was some type of consent within that song, right? And then the girl's like, all right, fine, let's do it, right? And then he pulls down his pants, and then she goes, baby, it's cold inside.
Wah, wah.
Welcome to Daddy Mitts, your trade
Bro,
idea
your
show
voice
hosted
is
by
like
yours truly. My voice is screwed, dude. Hosted by the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, coming back, still kind of sick. Just a cough though. I just got stabbed again for my
Bro,
booster shot.
you were gone for 3 months and now you're sick. It seems like we
Yeah.
haven't recorded for like 3 months.
Oh
Like
man.
every week you're on vacation, man.
And as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? I do it for the kids. St. John here.
St. John
No need
is
for
in the
introduction.
building. Bro, today was a great what a bounce.
Yep.
What a bounce back.
I thought the market was going to take a crap even more.
We were expecting this. We weren't expecting this move, but we were expecting for the past few weeks because this FOMC was about to pop, was about to go underway that there is going to be some skittishness in the market, that a lot of these like growth stocks, hyperinflation stocks are going to get hit because a lot of people are locking in profits. There's a lot of factors that go into why the stocks are going downward, but this is kind of like an indicator that all we needed to do is pull out the money printer, because Jay Powell just said, you know what? Fuck your puts. Fuck your puts is what Jay Powell
And
said.
hey, you know what? Maybe it's the start of the Santa Claus rally.
What did we say on the Discord? It was a Satan rally.
Oh. Yeah, coming out of November, it was a devil's rally.
The devil's rally, the lump of coal rally.
Yeah, a lump of coal.
The lump of coal rally. Now it's a Santa Claus rally. It looks very promising. Just in time. We have what, a couple of days before next week. We're gonna start testing all-time highs again. Here comes the market. It's a cycle. It's a cycle, and that's why we trade both directions on this channel. Sometimes we're successful, sometimes we're not, but it is what it is. And I think that we are coming across some potentially good gains that could spill over to January. That's what's called the January effect. So get excited for that. We're going to be monitoring the market as close as possible and giving you guys these updates, hopefully daily now. Sorry, that's my fault for not being around. I've been going through it. I'm still recovering, but we're going to get back to it. But as always, make sure that you guys hit before we get that, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. I got something for you. We got some bullish momentum based on the report from Jay Powell. And if you bought puts, then you should throw in the towel. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
Oh. That was a good one.
That was a good one. I liked it.
You made something wrong with Powell.
I know, right?
Yeah.
There was a whole bunch of them too. I have a spreadsheet here. Bowel, Howl, vowel, bath towel, sea towel, dowel, disavowel, Turkish towel, paper towel.
I'm assuming a Turkish towel is what they use during a Turkish bath.
Assuming so. You can't bring. Who brought the Turkish towel to a Greek bath, John?
Correct me if I'm wrong. If that's what it's used for, please tell me. If you have to correct me, please.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
I don't know. Never done a Turkish towel or a Turkish bath before.
And as always, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up, because John, if they give us a thumbs down, a full one, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this banging intro. All right. Oh God, that sounds so bad. Member gains.
There, you hit a high pitch there. Member gains.
I feel like I just hit that falsetto. All right, let's take a look at these member gains. Some savagery from the captain.
Actually, we only need one. We only need one. We don't need to show all of them.
There's only one today. The captain of the ship himself, because we've seen such a downtrend in the market. There hasn't been a whole lot of activity in the chat room. Rightfully so. It is what happens. This is the ebbs and flow of the markets, right? When we're seeing some downtrend, people don't talk. But when we're seeing an uptrend, people are all the way here. So today was one of those days, especially for the captain of the ship himself. J Spees traded XPX for 21 thou. Wow.
Oh my goodness. I guess we're having a good time in Vegas then.
We are going to have a good time.
Everything on him. We're at the restaurant. We're at the restaurant 15D. Be like, Jay.
You got it?
Jay?
You got it?
I gotta go.
Cool. You got it.
Can I go?
You got it?
Can I get up?
He did mention some Mastros. He did mention some Mastros. Oh, you got it? We good? We're good.
I don't have my wallet anyways. So
we're good. Go. I'll cash app you maybe.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Like, hey, I'm the one who ordered gratuity. I ordered gratuity.
Who ordered gratuities like $300?
$300, right? Who the hell ordered gratuity?
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Jay, if you're watching, Jay, if you're watching, I just want to let you know. Congratulations. Everything on you.
Everything on you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Let's take a look at some plays that we want to cover for tomorrow and for the rest of the Santa Claus rally. The first one is DraftKings.
Yeah.
Let me see here. Let me pull up this
I'm
chart.
liking DraftKings here.
All
We've
right,
been creeping
John,
up on DraftKings for a while now, and it seems like I think this is it, Chief. I think this is it. The reason being is that go ahead and pull up the weekly chart right here. The weekly chart. We just need some little TLC on this one, a little bit love, and we just need to finish above $30.50. I know that's a long way, probably like an 8 to 10% move, but it can probably happen tomorrow. If you're looking at the RSI, it's somewhat beat up. Obviously, it's below 30, so it's considered oversold. If you look at the MACD, it just needs one solid green week, and then I do feel like this blue line right here will eventually try to close that gap and meet up with the tan line. DraftKings is cheap. Okay,
very.
if you look at the 1-year chart, I mean, it's obviously it's at all-time lows. For the year, it just hit its lowest point for the year today, 2667, before the market had somewhat rallied. And the thing is, I got into DraftKings. I do believe I got the January. It might be the 28th, or I'm not sure if I got the January 28th. I'm gonna double check on that one. Most likely, I got the end of January $30 calls on these because it was either 25 or 30. So I picked 30 on this one. 5 calls, not bad. I think it was about $3. Per contract, so it'd be about $300 per contract. So for this one right here, our first target is at $30. Once that hits, then most likely we'll see some nice gains. If it does break the $30 mark, our next target is at around 33. It is a long swing. We are anticipating a Santa Claus rally towards the end of the year. Within the next couple of weeks, cross our fingers. So if that happens, then we might see some nice attendees here. So
nice.
That's it for my DraftKings. I mean, I like the company. So
yeah, I do like it too. Let's take a look at it from the hourly perspective. If you guys are day trading this tomorrow, be aware of certain levels here. From the 1-hour chart, which I like to look at before I enter any type of trade. Obviously, you go from a macro to a micro, right? So the daily chart looks good. We have some upward momentum on the daily chart, but I have to take a look at it from the hourly chart also to see if there's any value entrances. As you see this candlestick right here where we're currently at, we are sitting at the EMA 50, which is essentially support now. And we have a lot of room here. We'll definitely confirm these levels pre-market tomorrow. And if you are going to get into a day trade, I would like to see it at 2907 as a preliminary level before hopping in to the upside. Let's take a look at the next stock that we want to cover. It is the almighty, the Tesla.
Yeah. Tesla. Man, I was just we were talking about this last night in our class. Tesla, if you look at the daily chart right here, there is a gap fill at around 9:10-ish, dated all the way back
Right
October 22nd.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
So keep an eye on that one. I mean, doesn't mean that today was a bull hammer, clearly. Doesn't mean that, we won't fill that gap right there. Could be, I don't know, next month, right? But we are still facing, some resistance, within probably by tomorrow. Seriously. If you're looking at the daily chart, there is resistance at 1,000. Okay, on the EMA 50. So if that ever breaks, then we might see a nice swing. Okay, swing where you look at the MACD, that could possibly curl up. RSI is somewhat, I don't want to say beat up, but Tesla's coming off of, its current highs, 1243-ish. It's currently down, 20, 25%, 30% from its highest. So it did enter a bear market. But now the current tests that we're seeing within the next couple of days, hopefully, if we do have a rally or a continuation tomorrow or Friday, then we are definitely going to see the 1,000 mark. If that ever breaks, then keep an eye on the next level of resistance, which is at around 1010, which is at the EMA 9. Once it clears the 9, then we have a short-term rally.
Yep.
That's it. Short term. That's what I'm trying to say is short term, meaning less than 9 days.
Yeah, less than 9 days for sure. From a day trading standpoint, one thing to note is it is above the EMA 100. It is piercing the top Bollinger Band. So theory is once it pierces the top Bollinger Band, it tends to retrace back inside. We might see a second entry on this tomorrow. Just watch out for these levels, right? So don't be overly bullish on Tesla, especially on a stock that has a high beta. We've seen this move from 928 all the way to 991 today. So there might be a continuation tomorrow for sure. But also be prepared for some pullback before it goes ultimately back to the top side. So be prepared for both scenarios.
We gotta do some research if Elon Musk is done with selling.
No, I think he has $15 million left.
So that could be within the next couple of days. So who knows, right?
Yeah,
who knows?
That could be it. Because look at it this way: you see a nice pop. He might just sell more till we get to 912. Right, 912 is where I really see the last level of resistance, which is the EMA 100. If support, I mean, if we ever bounce above that, I think that's a great value.
Isn't that crazy? The 100 is at the 911, 910-ish mark.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? Because that could easily bounce off of it tomorrow, and you can seriously catch the bottom here short term.
Yep. He could really do that. Yeah. So the next stock that we want to cover is the market overall. So Jay Powell spoke today saying that there are going to be some Fed rate hikes in 2022. He's not overly hawkish at all, but I mean, investors seem to like this idea. That's why the market rallied towards the end of the session. From a standpoint, we're still on a very bullish upward trend. No matter how you look at this, we're still higher than where we were at August.
You know what's crazy?
We saw
is NASDAQ rallied.
Yep.
NASDAQ came back, so the downward trend kind of like broke. So we're looking at some upside potential here again.
Right. So definitely some more upside potential. Today was a massive bull hammer. And after hours, we're still seeing there's a lot of room here too. There's so much room. This is the retrace that we talk about. If it pierces the top Bollinger Band, you see that it kind of rolls and retraces back inside the band. Expect some more bullish sentiment on SPY tomorrow. Just don't be out the gates. Pick your spots. We're seeing hope. We're seeing light at the end of the tunnel, but we're not there yet. So pick your spots. Be meticulous with your trades. Follow your trade plans and manage your risk accordingly. John, anything else to add?
No, I'm looking at QQQ right now, and we broke a couple of levels of resistance. It bounced off of the 50, so that's a clean bounce today. We are probably going to see, this Santa Claus rally is real. It most likely could happen within the next couple of weeks.
Yep.
And in January, we're going to take a look at January, in a different way again. So.
Exactly. So there's going to be a slight spill over into January, like last year. The first 2 weeks of January are fairly bullish. People are starting buying. People are going to lock in profits because, you don't have to report taxes till the next year anyway, so it doesn't matter, right? So a lot of people are going to be doing that strategy. But that's pretty much it for today's show. I hope you guys find that information useful, and I hope that it helps you out in the in your trades for the next few days. And make sure that you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Don't know where to start, just new to trading. You just want to join a group of active traders that have your best interests at heart. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Classes have already begun. We are going to go into week 2 next week of our sessions. If you guys are interested in learning your trade, like learning to invest in yourself, so that next year we're coming across resolutions again. We're coming across, I want to make more money next year, or I want to learn a different skill next year. This is that skill. This is a skill that can never be taken away from you, right? Because the game is played in your head. So as long as you have that mental capacity to know when to hold them, when to fold them, this is the stuff for you. You should.
Is that a song?
Yeah, exactly. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them. So that song is
sexual too?
Yeah, sometimes when you're catcalling at the mall, right? When
catcalling at the mall.
When you're catcalling at the mall, right?
It's not corner of 19th Street and 18th Street. You're at the mall catcalling.
Let me remember Sun Valley Mall circa 2004, 2005.
Yeah, when Sun Valley Mall was popping, I'm pretty
Hey,
sure.
blue shirt. Hey, blue shirt.
Blue,
Hey, blue shirt.
Hey, hey,
Hey,
hey,
hey.
hey.
We all look
No,
very
guys,
dumb
no,
doing
folks. I don't holler or catcall like that. Okay.
that. We
Slide
all
in the
look dumb doing
DMs.
that. There were no DMs in 04 and 05.
I know.
No, we had AIM. We had AIM. You remember sending a message
God.
through AIM and having to meet up with them in like some cockamamie place?
Oh God.
Happened a
Jeez.
lot. It was very sketch, by the way.
What a time to be alive.
What a time to be alive, right? And then make sure you guys follow all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Also, don't forget to hit up our hit the subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell. Give us a nice thumbs up because Jonathan gave us a thumbs down.
Your mama is a hoe.
A full one. Drop down in the comment section below stocks you guys want us to cover. With that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.